welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and review of an USB LED light or USB LED strip. So most of the time you have seen like the serial lights or LED lights, mostly it works on the power socket or normal plug which comes. We have to connect on those. So many of the time you won't get an access to the power supply. So in that cases you can use this LED serial light or decorative lights. So this I recently bought from Amazon. So we'll see, take a look in the packet first. So in the front you can see that they have given some pictures of the occasion where you can use it, and in the behind if you see they have given like it's 5-volt USB 2 and like the price also they have given $399, but in the deal time you can get it this around 150-200 rupees. Actually I got it for 150 rupees only, it's not 400 rupees. Then and you can see that it's 3 meter, so the length of the strip is 3 meters, and in the bottom you can see that it's written made in India, so it's manufactured here I guess. And the side if you see they have written something and they have given their website. Other side they have written you can use it for indoor outdoor something and all. That's it. So now without wasting any more time, let's unbox the product. Okay, here they have given a small writing, and this is how the product looks. So they have given a wrapping with the brand name, and the first thing which you can see is there they have given a small acknowledgement card, and below they have given one more card which says some of the features of the LED strip. Keeping this both aside, now we can see the LED strip itself. Other than this, okay, nothing else is there, that much here. I'll keep this aside, and this is how the LED strip looks. So for the time being I'll just keep it wrapped in this itself. Actually you can just unwrap it like this, but for the time being I'll keep it wrapped so that it will be easier for me to show the LED to you guys. So I guess we don't have to do much. I have to just take it and plug it to a power bank. So I'll just do the thing. Okay. Oh actually it is multicolor. Initially I thought that it is just one color, like yellow color. Actually the brightness is quite good. I'll just decrease the brightness for you guys. So this is how the LED looks, front side, from the back side. Actually it is quite bright. Just give me a second, I'll just switch off the light and show you guys. So now I have turned off the light. Still I have to decrease the brightness, but I'm decreasing because it is too bright, and if I keep the brightness the same, you people won't be able to see it. So yeah, 1 minute. See, this is the brightness. Now I'll just lock the brightness. Yeah, and many people I have seen them putting this LEDs in glass bottle or something, and it keeps on glowing. And many of them, if electricity is not there, we can't use the other one. In that cases this will be quite useful because it doesn't need electricity. You can just connect to a power bank like this and you can use it. Just wait a second, let me turn on the light. So this is how it looks. I'm not unwinding now because it will be a bit headache for me to wrap it back. So when I need it, I'll unwrap it and place it somewhere. It comes around 3 meter in length, so it's quite long. And like if you have a, like example you have a window like this, you can almost go around the window, and in the night it looks really good. Even if you doesn't have a power socket near that window, you can always connect it to a power bank. So that's it guys. I hope you guys liked the video and it helped you guys to know more about this product. and I'll be providing a link of this product in my description. If people are interested in buying, I'll search in Amazon, or I'll just share the same link from where I purchased it. And any doubt about the product or anything, you can always comment below this video, and I'll try to reply to you guys as soon as possible. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video and help you guys. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.